If incoming calls do not show up on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the first thing that you can do is you're gonna check out if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated. So what you can do is you can go to the control center or quick settings, and then here we should be able to try to find the DND button, which should be here in modes. So if you tap on the modes button, you can check if Do Not Disturb mode is on or off. When it's enabled, you might not be able to see incoming calls, or you might not be able to see most of the calls. So after turning off DND mode, you can of course check out if now it works. And in case it didn't help, or if you didn't have the DND mode activated, then what you can do is you can go to settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna go to apps. Then you want to tap to see all apps over here. And then you want to tap on these three dots and choose to show system apps. First, we're gonna use the search option over here, and you want to type phone. Once you do that, you want to open the phone app over here. You want to force stop it. Then you want to go to permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions are granted. If they are not, then of course you can tap on any of these permissions and you want to allow the access for the app. You can also go to notifications, and you want to make sure that pretty much everything here is enabled. So also go to these additional categories if they are hidden, and make sure that everything is on. Also, we can go to storage, and you want to clear the storage completely. There we go. Now, after that, what you can also do is you can go to phone and messaging storage, and here you want to go to storage and cache. And if you can, clear storage, and if not, clear cache. Then we're gonna go back, and you want to open phone calls app over here, go to storage and cache again, and once again, clear storage if you can, if not, clear cache instead. There we go. Now, after that, we also have phone services, so we're gonna go here as well, choose storage and cache, and do exactly the same thing. There we go. After that, we're gonna switch from the phone text to call, just in case there is something more that we can go to, but it seems that no, that's actually all. So afterwards, you can restart your phone. And once you do that, you can also open the phone app. You want to make sure that it is actually running in the background at least, especially due to the fact that we have force stopped it. And then you can see if it works now. Leave a like and subscribe.